How to set up business email on Wix 2022 step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how we can set up our own business email with our Wix, and this is going to be very easy and short tutorial. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So first of all, to get started, what you're going to need to do is you're going to go to your Wix dashboard or just your manage.wix.com/dashboard page. Now once we're over here, let me give you a disclaimer. First of all, make sure you have set it up your account. Don't be like me, and make sure that you have a paid and upgraded account. So once all of that is done, you're gonna make sure you have a domain to yourself. If you don't, you can connect it from here. Once you do that, then you're gonna see this option over here where it says get a business email right over here. So you're gonna click on that. Now, once you click on get a business email, it's going to bring you here where it says connect a domain. Then you're just going to write any random name for a domain, and then in the end, just put a .tech or .design. You're going to click on let's go. If it says it's available, click on get it. Then it's going to ask you to upgrade it. If you haven't upgraded it, then you're just going to click on upgrade now. And from here on out, it's going to give you these packages. Select any one of them that goes to your choosing. Then you're going to go with the payment plans and choose whatever payment plan you want to go with. Click on continue to checkout. And once you do that, then it's just going to ask you to fill in your card details. And once you do that, just submit your purchase and you will get your domain right away in seconds. And from there on out, it's going to ask you if what business email you want. And then you're just going to put that in and all will be done. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and how simple and easy it is to get your business email on Wix. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to see you all next time. Goodbye.